It's looking like infinityscales.com. What up? Where can somebody get the stuff online?
Sorry?
Where could somebody get your stuff online?
Infinityscales.com.
Infinityscales.com. I know. Thank you. How's it going? All right, what's all this?
A little giveaway, some dice, some
stuff.
Dice and
Vegas
cards
stuff.
since you're in Vegas. A little pamphlet on kind of who we are, what we do.
Who are you and what do you do?
Store Supply Warehouse, so we sell retail supplies and fixtures to storefront locations to help outfit and display the merchandise that they're selling in their locations. So a couple items we have here. We got our 48-inch display case, a slat wall gondola unit. You offer custom items, custom bags, custom tags, pricing materials, kind of everything you need to operate your store.
What's the website?
StoreSupply.com.
Right on. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's chill. Hello. Good.
Have you tried a new Kratom?
What is it?
The Kratom. So this one is 4 times stronger than the normal one. So this one is new one. So I have 4 flavors. And if you want, I can give you an example. So if you like, you can bring it with you.
I'll take a sample.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Do you have a little bag?
Yeah, sure.
Let's chill.
You can go here if you don't mind.
That's cool. Thank you. Here, the same ones in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can talk about.
Right.
There's one in here.
Yeah.
What's the website?
Oh, so this is the website we have here. Website. So I think it's like.
SmokeUSA.com.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
What up? What up? Where could somebody get your stuff online?
Right on our website, Amazon.
CosmicFreeze.com.
CosmicFreeze.com. What is it?
Freeze-dried candy. We also got Mexican chamoy tahini candy.
Let's go. Okay.
Take some with you, my man.
The chamoy?
Yeah, try it. Yeah,
This the chamoy? Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. What? He gave us a sample. So, it's this G and S. How you doing? What's your website?
Lapsargaze.com.
The Lapsargaze?
Yeah.
Okay. You sell balloons? Oh. No, vapes. Dope. Thank you. Kratom Company. What's the website?
How are you guys?
The website?
I have no idea actually. I'm like, but I have a QR code right here, guys.
Is it on there?
Here.
TheKratomCo.com.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Hello. What's your website?
This is our website, Mimos Vape.
Memers Vape.
Yes.
All right. Awesome. Thank you.
California is a little bit weird, but we would say around 7.5 for these price range.
What's the website?
Website. iJoy. You guys see?
Oh,
iJoy.com?
Yeah, iJoy.com.
All right.
Voice control. AI. The word is first. The AI voice control is possible.
Vape. AI.
Yeah, AI.
Voice control vape.
Yeah, voice control.
Let's go. We should get them the demo then. Hello. Oh. Thank you. AI voice control vape. What's the website?
Hey guys. What is our website? website. We don't have one.
No website. Okay, how do they get? Only on Proton.
Wholesale. Yeah.
Wholesale. 7ALKS Proton. I mean, do you have other booths?
No, another booth.
Okay, I think we might have got it yesterday. I was like, this looks very familiar. What up, man?
What's up, boss? How you doing, man?
Pretty good. How are you? Do you have a website?
Yeah, of course.
What's the website?
LiftTicketsGlobal.com.
What is it?
LiftTicketsGlobal.com.
LiftTicketsGlobal.com.
Yes, sir. Yeah. World's first cannabis-infused rolling paper. We've been making these for about 10 years in California.
Cannabis-infused rolling paper?
Yes, sir. Hey, man, can I get you a sample?
Yeah, I'd try a sample. We're filming every booth, every product at CHAMPS.
Oh, bro, I love it, man.
Yeah.
Keep up the creative genius.
Right on. I'm trying. Appreciate you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you. You too. They got the exotics.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if
What up?
God watching. Pop out
I'm over here. What's the website?
Huh?
What's the website?
The website's www.skycodistro.com.
They get all the exotics there?
All the exotic snacks, guys, anything from overseas. They don't use any artificial flavoring, non-medicated, so there's no specialties in this one, but they're delicious. You can get them from China, Japan. We got German snacks. We got Palestinian snacks. We got it all. We're trying to collect them all like the Pokemon guys.
Let's go. Appreciate you, dog.
Yeah, anytime, man. Thank you. Everyone take one of my cards. Keep it with you. If you guys ever want anything, I got you.
Thank you, homie. More nicotine cessation? What up?
Guys, how's it going?
Pretty good. What's the website?
We're recording. Recording and nice.
Yeah, we're filming every booth, every product at CHAMPS.
Okay.
What's your website?
So ktropics.com. You're looking at kratom blends with nootropics, energy, kava kratom, and nicotine.
Okay.
You know, all the good stuff that a smoke shop needs. You know,
Okay.
can't let anybody walk by without having something to sell them.
Let's go. Appreciate you, man.
No problem. You guys have a good show.
Thank you, you too. World Peace Enterprises. You have a website? No website? Okay. How would someone order? Email?
Yeah.
Wholesale 2015 SA at Gmail?
Yeah. Card is there, okay?
Okay. Thank you. No website. It says worldpeaceenterprises.com. Hello. Do you have a website?
Do I have a website?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
What is it?
It's surfsidebrands.com.
Surfsidebrands.com? What is it? What is Surfside?
So we carry a multiple variety of brands. We have Enjoyable, Argos, they're all mushroom brands, and then we have our THCA products called Interface, and our CBD products Modest, and then we have our D8, D9 gas gummies.
What kind of mushrooms are in it?
So this is a full spectrum extract, detect.
Full spectrum extract?
Yeah.
Does everything you
Vita, no hemp.
Okay.
So you'll get the full experience. You
Okay.
guys should try it out.
Okay.
Let me hook you guys up with some.
I appreciate you. We're filming every booth, every product
Really?
on YouTube, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Right on.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Hello. Great. How are you? Do y'all have a website?
Have you heard of Mad Honey?
Mad Honey?
Yeah.
No. What? Do you have a website?
Yeah, themadhouse.com.
Okay. What is it?
Mad Honey comes straight from Nepal. It's psychoactive, gives you a body high, a head high, all natural honey. So not delta, not mushrooms, not kratom, not
What
vape.
makes it mad?
The psychoactive properties. If you take enough of it in Nepal, they say you could go mad. But this is in small 1.5 gram doses, just enough to have some fun for an hour and a half.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. I've never
wanna
heard of
try
this.
it?
I'd be interested, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you guys should try it. With all the delta and mushrooms kind of being restricted and coming off shelves, this is a good replacement because it's legal in all 50
Sure.
states. Take a couple samples.
Okay.
Give it a try. I'll tell you how to use it so that it's most effective.
Okay.
Rip the top off here. There's a straw inside. Don't take it out. Okay, it'll just be messy. It's honey. It's sticky. Just hold the bottom, pinch the bottom, and just squeeze it all up into your mouth, and that's how you take the dose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Have fun. If you try it while you're here, come back and let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. That was interesting.
What's happening?
What up?
How are you?
Y'all got a website?
Yeah, we do.
What is it?
TillmansTranquils.com.
TillmansTranquils.com. What is it?
Yep.
Tillman's Tranquils.
We have a whole line of microdose THC mints. We make some high-dose THC syrup.
Okay.
We make some THC cocktails with the syrup. 10 different flavors, absolutely delicious. We got our treats, THC treats, chocolate chip cookies, Rice Krispie treats, fruity crispy treats, chocolate crispy.
Okay.
A little something for everybody.
Right on, right on. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're filming every booth, every product. Yeah.
For what?
YouTube.
Okay, right on.
YouTube. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
I need you to buy. It takes time.
This is Nicotex Lab. NicotexLab.com. Labs.com. Do you have a website?
Nicotexlabs.com.
What do you do real quick?
We manufacture and sell liquid nicotine, synthetic nicotine.
Okay. For the vape market. Thank you. Empire.
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Y'all got a website?
Yeah, we do.
What's the website?
Empire.com.
Empire.com. And why are you guys the best?
Why are we the best? We have the cleanest papers and the best prices on the market, man.
Let's go. Right on. Thank you.
Like, I'm seeing law of physics be broken in front of me.
Zane. More vapes. You have a website? Yeah. No website? No. Instagram? Nothing? Okay. Thank you. Cyber Pro. No website? You have a website?
Over there, the front.
The Peak Bar. Is it on there? The email?
Yep.
A to Z district.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's interesting to see people lose their minds when they don't realize they don't have a website anymore. Yeah. Pretty good. Do y'all have a website?
Yeah, we got a website.
What is it?
Fusionscale.com.
Fusionscale.com? Right on. Thank you.
I don't know.
You're like, nah. Thank you. That's got a cool little finish on it. It's all the same? What up? Dot Glass.
You guys have a store?
We do. We have an online shop. Do y'all got a website?
Yeah.
What's the website?
Dopeglass.com.
Dopeglass.com?
Yeah, affordable peak tops.
Affordable. That's it. Specialized.
Specialized. Yeah, we're gonna work on different companies, different devices, but right now we're focused on the peak.
Cool. Right on. We're filming every booth, every product at Vape and Champs.
What's your guys' site?
CannaKrew.com. Yeah.
Kanna Krew?
Kanna Krew.
That's cool, man.
Sir.
Thanks for
Thank
stopping by.
Thank you.
People want to buy.
Right.
Halfway about. What's up?
Hey guys, how's it going?
Pretty good. You got a website?
Yeah, I have geekedextracts.com. We've got Delta products. We also have Kratom Kava products and nicotine disposables.
Geekedextracts.com.
Yeah.
Right on. Thank you. Thank you. Did you hear the guys back there just now? No, I'll tell you.
What you do?
What up? What? You got a website?
We do. It's gold-spectrum.com.
Gold-
We do retail sales on there. Ship it straight to your door. Premium THCA products out of East Tennessee.
Let's go.
Awesome. Yeah. We're only focused on quality. We're gonna get the best product to you. Please check some of this out.
Right on, man. What is that? I've been seeing a lot of the.
So this is a really potent blend we have. It's THCA flower rolled in a THCA isolate. So that's a 99% pure THCA crystal that is broken down into a powder, and we coat it in there. It's going to test between 65 and 75% THC. So for people who want something strong, you got something right there for them. And we got these from a 1 gram quantity all the way up to a 2 ounce quantity.
Right on, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Appreciate you.
Yeah. Where you from?
Arizona. Yeah.
You guys smokers? Want to try them out?
Oh yeah. We're smokers.
I'm gonna try this or regular.